Ang mga ganap ni Atasha Mulak sa Star Award for Music 2024 bilang New Female Recording Artist of the Year.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. First things first, I really want to thank the MTC Star Awards for this recognition. This is truly an honor to receive an award tonight.
Tinanggap ni Tash ang kanyang award bilang New Female Recording Artist of the Year, Star Award for Music 2024.
My heart is filled with so much gratitude. Thank you, and thank you to all of you guys, everyone. And more importantly, to my Viva family, Boss Vic, Boss Vern, Boss Vincent, Boss Veronique, and
Congratulations, Atasha Mulak, sa iyong bagong achievements.
And more importantly, to my family, a huge big thank you. Thank you guys.
Ang ganda naman pakinggan ang kanilang duet ni Arthur Neri. Magaling din palang kumanta si Atasha, malamig ang boses nito. Tuwang-tuwa din ang mga fans at supporters ni Atasha sa kanyang performance. Deserving din si Atasha sa lahat ng bagay. Magka-match naman ang boses ni Atasha at Arthur Neri. Kaya so proud naman ang mga magulang ni Tash na sina Aga Mulak at Charlene Gonzalez. Once again, congratulations Atasha Mulak. Sana marami pang blessings.